Hello everyone. So basically this is some kind of a miscellaneous video that I am creating on a very nice training opportunities. Okay, so this is a new training opportunity that is being provided by SpecFlow. So for people who are aware of BDD, which is business driven development, so this is a kind of, for example, a kind of, you can say, kind of like a agile requirement gathering come automation testing kind of a technique. Okay, so for them SpecFlow is a very nice thing to know. Okay, and we are right now basically for free, completely free, we are getting this BDD master class. Okay, which is being taught by none other than Gaspar Nagy, who is the founder of kind of SpecFlow. So who is this Gaspar Nagy guy? As you can see, he is a very well known person in this BDD realm. He has two books already written called the BDD books, one on discovery, which is the first step in the BDD process, and the other one on formulation, and I think there is a third one also that is on the. So he's a very knowledgeable person who is giving this very high quality training on BDD masterclass. This is completely free, first of all. And once you finish this training, so there are 4 lessons, as you can see: lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. After that you have a quiz. Once you pass the quiz, you get this certificate. Okay, so how does this certificate look? This is a very nice certificate. As you can see, certificate of achievement. This acknowledges that Turjanaran Chaudhary has successfully completed the BDD with SpecFlow master class. This is a master class of 4 classes, and these are basically the 4 classes. The first class, or the first session, is understanding and using the core principles of BDD with SpecFlow. Second one is formulating scenarios with given, when, then Gherkin syntax. Third is configuring and managing test projects with multiple scenarios. Fourth is maintaining BDD solution and using advanced SpecFlow features. So once you pass all of this, you can basically, you will get this this kind of a certificate. You can share that certificate on LinkedIn or add it on your profile. So for example, I have shared it already on my LinkedIn profile, as you can see. I have already shared with all the details and everything on this SpecFlow. Okay, and you can also add it to your credentials. So for example, automatically here, if you see, these are all my license and certifications. So if I go down a little bit, I have a lot, so bear with me. This one, BDD with SpecFlow masterclass. So this is very good and okay. But then now the question comes, do I have to listen to all 4? No. If you are an experienced BDD person, unlike me, then you can directly go and attempt the quiz. Okay. But these are very high quality classes. So most of the classes range from around 1.45 to 2 hours. Okay. With you can say roughly 75% is the session, with the last 25% reserved for question answer. Okay, so this is a very nice series. Okay, and actually what you get also along with that, for example, if we see here, you will also, these are for example the agenda. You can see all of the agendas. Okay, so as you can see, up to 1 hour 40 minutes, it is kind of like all that lesson wrap up, and then you have QA. And actually there is a demo project also on GitHub. So this is the demo project, which actually is a very nice project. Is completely open source, created by Gaspar Nagy, as you can see. Okay, and this you can clone into your own repository. For example, I have cloned it here. As you can see, I have cloned it here, and then I have opened it using Visual Studio. So here, and this is the application. If you run that application, for example, if I run this application, it's a completely, how to say it, it's a completely working application. Okay, it's a working application, and this application is used, so you can see it's a working application created by Gaspar Nagy, and this application has all the, as you can see, all the feature files and everything is here. And this is what Gaspar uses to demonstrate a lot of concepts in his class. The classes are extremely high quality. So for example, if you see the first class, okay, So if you see the first class, yeah, so for example, if you see this class, one second. Yeah, so here you can see they are defining what is BDD. For example, behavior driven development is about understanding, documenting and verifying business requirements through illustrative scenarios. So this is very important. This is a definition. This is around 27 minutes. And you can say that BDD is not just only automated testing. Along with that, there is illustration of requirements, automated testing, documentation. We have a lot of things. So all of this is already available. There's nothing that I need to tell you. And you can see, for example, these are the three parts or the three practices of BDD. Discovery, which is the first stage. Then you have formulation, which is kind of like writing the given when then scenarios, and then this automation. So everything is explained in extreme detail here. So as you can see all of the details, and this is kind of, you can say, the BDD process. Okay, so picking a user story, then doing a requirement workshop, then formulation. Okay, so this is kind of like the discovery, then this is the formulation phase, getting the review. Okay, so let me go back. Yeah, this one. And so basically this, all of this is defined in extremely detail here. Okay, all of the steps. And similarly the next session. So why I am telling is that I'm extremely impressed by this course, the high quality of this course. Okay, these are really high quality course. This is something that is coming from an extremely premium instructor. You would have to pay hundreds to thousands of dollars, very frankly, to get a course like this on the market. There is not a lot of courses like this on the market. BDD is something that is very close to my heart. Also SpecFlow, because when I was in 2015 in PricewaterhouseCoopers, I started a US project, and that project had this, and then I was extremely amazed with this powerful kind of syntaxing. So for example, you can read given the user is authenticated, when the user checks on the home page, then the username. So basically these are all your scenarios, right? And the scenarios are coming from your user story, so to say. And this is kind of a documentation or a contract between the business user or the product owner and the development team, that okay, and this is completely automated. So for example, here if you go here to go to definition, this is the actual steps that are happening behind it. When the user is authenticated, the auth context is authenticating it with a default user and a default password. So all of this, so basically this is an automation, plus it's a very good documentation. So there is a lot of benefits, and everything is extremely well defined, okay, here in the course. So I will like you to go to the course. And another very nice thing is that for this course is that if you finish this till January 6th, you will get special SpecFlow swag. So what kind of swag will you get? So here if I show you the kind of swag that you will get, so this is the kind of swag that you will get if you are able to finish it. So you can see very nice swag that you can get if you finish this course by January 6th. So this is also another added benefit of doing this course. But very frankly, after a long time, I have found that this Tricentis, who are right now managing SpecFlow, they have done a really great work, okay, and they are actually doing this in a sense to put more focus and kind of evangelize SpecFlow. And they have made, for example, this code is open source. The trainings are open source, the certification is free, it's a very high quality course. So it's very difficult to find this kind of awesome stuff on the internet for free. That is why I'm trying to use my LinkedIn follower base to kind of promote this. So really good work to the Tricentis and the SpecFlow team, and thank you Casper Nagy for the awesome content. I learned a lot about BDD, okay, it opened up my vision, very frankly, and I will keep on this path. And thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy the course if you actually choose to do it. Thank you.